What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Pepe, which has gained an insane amount of value since the crypto pump, guys. As you guys can see, major green candles here, and especially today in the last 24 hours it has hit a huge green candle and has pumped up near about 40% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. Yes, it has taken a slight dip in the last hour or two, as you guys can see. However, we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe. Is it likely to keep pumping, especially that Bitcoin has hit over $90,000 now, and its next target is of course 100k. How is that going to impact Pepe? Is it likely to pump up? Is it going to crash back down in value? So we're going to be going through its short-term and long-term prediction going into 2025, as well as looking at short-term and long-term investors' point of view as to what the best option is right now. Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto has literally broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone, blue zone, and into the top tier level right now. Is that a little bit skeptical? Does that mean it's overvalued? Is it going to crash back down? That's what we'll be going through later on. So for now, let me just hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line. It's slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason for that is because there's been a slight dip, as you guys can see, over the last 2 to 3 hours. So the graph thinks it's time for Pepe to step down, crash back down, well, not crash, but dip back down in value over the coming hours, which is true up to an extent. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, at the moment I'm expecting it to dip down further over the next couple of hours before it starts to gain back value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. So do expect a wave from Pepe over the coming 12 to 14 hours, dip and then gain back up in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, the orange line is looking way too steep, going in a bullish direction. That is not realistic at all. And the blue line was going in a bullish direction. However, right now it is flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards mid next week, I'm expecting Pepe to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So I'm expecting the majority of the cryptos, including Bitcoin, to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, towards this weekend, I'm expecting a slight dip in the crypto market. Reason for that: the crypto market has been pumping quite constantly over the last couple of days, shall I say, since Trump won the election, and it is time for it to take a little bit of a step back, price correction, so dip down in value over the potentially a few days coming this week, and then pump back up in value early to mid next week, and it should be back up trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But I do keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict. So if you guys want to stay in the loop, make sure to stay subscribed to the channel. Moving on to the daily chart here, again we've got the blue and the orange line, both the lines this time looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and yes, looking very steep. So again, this is not as realistic as it seems. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, towards the end of December, so end of the year and early next year, early January, I'm expecting Pepe to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, nothing crazy, nothing major. Even if Bitcoin does go for a major pump or a breakout over $100,000, I'm not expecting Pepe to go through a major pump. Well, yes, a pump, however, nothing crazy. It is like to pump up and then drop back down to around this value here, slightly above that value. So essentially about a 15 to 20% increase from where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting Pepe to be trading at in early January. Reason is, Pepe, yes, at the moment is following a similar trend to the crypto market. However, in the long term, I'm expecting it to, in late November, December, it should crash back down in value, back into the dark green zone, which I'll be showing you guys in a minute, and then pump back up in value. But again, nothing too crazy. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. So into the green zone is what I said here, and into the dark green zone somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to drop back down to over the next 2 to 3 weeks, potentially 4 weeks, and then pump back up into the blue zone is what I'm expecting Pepe to be trading at. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 120% in the last 24 hours, making it a massive $14.4 billion in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. A lot of people are trading the crypto right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, and over the last week it has gained near about 100%. So let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys buying, selling, or holding on to it? And let me know how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. For me, I have not invested into the crypto, and if I was to invest into it, I wouldn't. That's because it is Pepe. I'm not expecting it for the long term to grow any much higher. And if I was on a profit, would I sell it? Yes, I would. I would probably take over half of it out and then keep a little bit for the long term, meaning I've taken out some profit and I'm also holding on to it, which for me is a win-win situation. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Pepe. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave it a like, and mainly, guys, please hit that subscribe button, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel and following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And on that note, make sure to hit that subscribe button because it is free to subscribe, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.